Hi guys, this is going to be a really quick video. I want to update you on how my strawberry plants are doing. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you might remember that last year I started these strawberry plants from seed using the seeds of store-bought strawberries. And I'm happy to say that they have been a success. I've been harvesting strawberries for about 2 weeks now. I've been picking all kinds of them every few days or so. They're starting to slow down a lot. And since they have produced so many strawberries in such a short amount of time, I do think that most of these plants are behaving as June-bearing strawberries, which is fine with me. I don't mind getting a bunch of strawberries at once. A couple of these plants didn't produce any strawberries at all. The mother plants were probably hybrids, so I'm sure that does create a lot of variation between the offspring. Some of these plants have produced some really big strawberries. Other plants just produced a lot of strawberries. As far as flavor differences between the strawberries, I really haven't noticed a lot of difference. I'm not sure that I could tell differences between any varieties of strawberries anyhow. All of the strawberries that I've picked taste like strawberries. If you want to see the whole process of how I've grown these strawberries from seed, I have created a playlist and I'll put a link up on the screen. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.